Sand is mixed with soda ash and limestone and heated above 1700 degrees Celsius. The materials melt into glowing liquid glass shaped by rolling, blowing, or floating on molten metal, then slowly cooled through annealing, making it strong and crack-free. In nature, broken glass is worn smooth by waves and sand, forming sea glass. From ancient Egyptian beads to modern factories, glass has evolved for over 5,000 years. Today, it forms our screens, carries the internet through fiber optics, and powers the future with solar and smart technology. Subscribe for more.